like you quiet.
The whisper song.
Tell my daddy, whisper me. Tell us something like that. Hello. Yes, we are like this all the time.
Pretty much.
Can we help it? Maybe. Do we? No. My name is Dasha. This is my mother, Davida. Hi. Double D's, you know.
I can't. Is that gonna be our name, the Double D's?
The Double D's. It ain't like neither one of us are strangers to those.
No, it's not. Unfortunately.
Unfortunately. I don't know. Some people might say fortunately.
Yes, you're right.
Anyways, we gonna cook a little something for y'all today. So we are going to be making a dupe of Tassilis Raw Reality Salad. Okay.
Yes.
We're gonna make a salad for y'all. It's gonna be delicious. It's also gonna be simple, easy, and for people who are trying to eat healthier and who think that they don't enjoy salads, this will change your mind.
It will.
I am telling you, this will change your mind. This is that's not the only salad that I eat, but anymore. Before, I didn't used to like salads. I was vegan, like completely hardcore vegan, like vegetarian before that, and I would not eat salad. If you gave me a salad, it would tick me off.
She'd be pissed.
And I'd be like, you think that just because I'm vegetarian, I just want to eat a salad? I used to get hyped on people. And I still kind of do if you give me some iceberg lettuce and some tomatoes. But if you give me this salad, I will be a happy camper. So,
or a chop salad. Or one of her mama's salads.
Yes.
Chop, you want to sponsor us? Let us know.
Hey, chop, let's go. So these are the ingredients we're using. And low key, I need to well, you can be my sous chef this time since this is my recipe.
Yeah, I'll be your sous chef.
Usually when we're cooking, I'm not even allowed in the kitchen. Even if I'm helping, I'm sitting at the bar helping. And today she's gonna be my assistant. Yes. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do, literally, this is a bag of kale. Okay. If you're making it for like 2 or more people, I say just use the whole bag. And kale's a pretty hardy green, so it'll go a long way. And like, it's got some staying power, is what I'll say. Now this is a lot of kale.
It is.
It is 2 of us. Are we gonna eat all this?
No. But she
Are we
said the
gonna
whole
eat it?
bag, so I said the whole bag.
Boom. Kale in the bowl. It's gonna shrink. It ain't
Kale in the bowl.
It looks like more than what it actually is.
She can eat a lot, y'all. Don't let this little figure fool you.
With its vegetables especially, yeah. I devour them things. Okay. Start off by putting, now this is a vegan mayo. But this is a vegan
Try
mayo.
not to hit myself in the face with the spoon. We opted for the long ones. Maybe that was a mistake because we're accident prone.
Vegan mayo is the first thing that we will be putting in here. This is by Hellman's, okay?
Bring out the Hellman's, bring out the best.
And yes, for those who don't know, Hellman's makes vegan mayo, and it's
$1 dollop,
it's mayo.
$2 dollops.
Oh yeah, we supposed to be measuring. For a whole thing,
$3
of kale, maybe about, what is that? Probably like 3 tablespoons.
About that.
You don't want too much, but you want enough to where it's gonna coat your greens. This is essentially the base of our. This is essentially the base of our dress, and I'm just gonna use this wooden spoon and scrape off the excess because if it was peanut butter, I would stick it in my mouth, but I don't like mayo that much, so I ain't doing it. And then you want whatever oil you're using, if it's olive oil or grapeseed oil, those are the ones that I usually use. We're gonna use a little bit, probably like a teaspoon, maybe. Like a teaspoon of oil. And that's just gonna help to spread the vegan mayo around, so it's really coating your veggies. Okay. Next, we season. So here's the thing about salads. People don't be seasoning their salads.
That part.
And you think you don't like your salad because you don't season it, or you just smother it in ranch dressing, which, I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm not mad at ranch. But there are better options out there.
There you go.
You know, if you just like want to, just like do it, just want a gourmet salad situation. But, so the next step is the seasoning. Smoked paprika, that's like the secret sauce, okay? We're gonna take this smoked paprika. You see that?
There you go.
We just sprinkle it. We just, you know.
You realize this microphone is in the shot?
Oh, dang, how did it get in there? I had moved it. Oh, because I moved it. Oh, it's okay.
Don't edit that out.
Whoops. Okay, nutritional yeast. You want a nice hearty amount, probably like a tablespoon of nutritional yeast.
If you guys can see that as well. There you go.
Some salt, just a bit. The reason I say just a bit is because we're also going to add some liquid aminos. And you know, liquid aminos are salty.
Yes. No, it just must have came loose.
Oh. And now y'all, we black and we cook like black people, and so you're not really gonna get exact measurements out of us most of the time, but she might learn you something about the art of cooking. It's an art, not a science.
That.
So you might learn you something. Just, you know, season it to taste. Figure out what your taste is. I might be re-seasoning it later depending upon what it tastes like when we taste it later on.
Yes.
So also, if you want, you can add some cayenne pepper in here for a little spice.
Sometimes you ask people for spice, they give you a little too much.
So you just want to mix this all in really well. If you need to add more mayo, you can. If you need to add more oil, you can. If you need to add more seasonings, you can. You want everything to be really nicely coated with this mixture that we're mixing right now.
Yes. So I hear you're kind of sore from the gym yesterday.
I am sore from the gym.
She can barely move, y'all.
My butt hurts.
So I take it was leg day.
It was leg day. And the thing is like, it wasn't even like, I wasn't running around doing a whole bunch of stuff, lifting a bunch of heavy weights. It seemed, you ever seen Tracy Ellis Ross in her workout videos?
Yes.
Where she's doing very simple movements, but
Yes.
she is sweating,
Yes.
pouring sweat. That's what yesterday was. And I was like, my heart was beating and I was sweating and I was dripping, and I had been recording yesterday, so I had makeup on. I know the makeup was just melting off my face.
Still didn't stop them men from hitting on you.
No, girl, it was. How do you remember that?
Yeah, because you my daughter. I remember what you say.
It was definitively middle-aged men. They look like they had children that are my age, men. And they were in a group. I didn't tell you all this. I ain't told her this yet.
Uh-oh.
They were in a group.
Oh, my Gary get mad.
I mean, they ain't do nothing crazy.
Okay.
They were in a group, and you know, I'm with my trainer, just minding my business. I had just got there, and she was setting up what we were going to be using that day for our workout. And you know how you just look in and you feel like somebody looking at you, like you just minding your own business. Well, I look and I make contact with 3 men staring at me, and I smile. And then I kind of look away and I see and hear the other dude said hi. She just smiled at us.
They was happy.
And I was like, okay. So they're there during my whole workout.
Oh my God.
During the entire workout, they're there, you know, doing their workouts. And we made contact a couple of times because she has me warm up with some lunges. I was like, I already warmed up on the bike though. And she was like, oh, you already warmed up? And I was like, yeah. She was like, it's okay, do them anyway. I was like, okay. So they made contact with me as I'm doing the lunges too. And I'm like, hey. They're like, hey. Okay. Well, after I'm done with my workout, I have to walk directly past one of them. Like, I would have had to go super out of my way to not, like, it would have been apparent that I was avoiding him if I walked any other way but right past him. So I walked past one of the dudes, you know, do a little smile and keep it moving. He's like, I don't know why, but you look so familiar.
Because she was just staring me down while I was working out, maybe.
And so, why is Coco looking at me?
Stop it, little girl.
And so, hold up.
Y'all meet Coco at some point, but not now because we have clean hands and we're working in the kitchen.
Okay. You want to taste it? Definitely taste the smoked paprika.
The man needs a little more of everything.
You need a little more everything?
Yep, a little more.
I don't think you need no more liquid aminos or salt. You think it needs that?
No, probably not.
Cause I feel like it's...
Okay, almost everything.
Anyway, so the man's like, you look familiar. And I was like, really? Cause I'm not from here. He said, yeah. Where you from? I said, a little bit of everywhere, but mostly North Carolina. He was like, oh, really? I was like, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And he was like, all right, well, what's your name? My name is Dasha. What? Dasha? It's Dasha, like Sasha or Tosh, but with the D. And he was like, oh, okay, I don't even remember his name. Jim?
It's not relevant.
I don't remember his name. But, and then that was it. I was like, have a nice day. And then I left.
Yeah.
And then I called my mom.
In the words of TJ Lavin, hope to see you never.
Oh, no, I'm gonna see him. Because he was like, yeah, I don't usually see you at the gym. Do you work out often? I was like, yeah, I'm just not usually here at this time. I just recently switched my workout. So I'm gonna see him again, I'm sure.
Good luck with that.
It'll be fine. I ain't scared. I ain't scared. So this is what it should look like when you're done. You see it's got a slight coating, not too heavy. From here, you're really just adding your toppings. So for us, we're gonna add avocado, we're gonna add tomatoes, and we're going to add some healthy seeds. Flax seeds, chia seeds, hemp seed mix for some protein, some omega-3 fatty acids, things like that, if you are vegan, could potentially, I mean, protein's gonna be easy to get, but them omega-3 fatty acids, you're gonna need stuff like this for that. So I'm gonna sprinkle some of these in here. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. And then I'm gonna chop up some tomatoes. Do you wanna do the chopping, Mama?
No, I'm enjoying watching you today. I worked hard last night, y'all. I did all the things.
Is there certain tomatoes that you want me to use?
Any tomatoes you want. These are tomatoes from the garden, y'all. Tomatoes from the garden. Some of your tomatoes. Tomatoes from the garden.
Slice, slice, dice. And obviously you can determine how you cut your tomatoes. This is how I be cutting. We eat a lot of Roma tomatoes. That's what these are. These are Roma tomatoes that she grew in her garden.
I love Romas and cherry tomatoes.
And then you scoop them and you add them to the bowl. Excuse me, Mama.
Bow.
Look how pretty that looks.
So pretty.
And then we're gonna take this big honking avocado.
My husband picked this one out, y'all. We'll see how it goes. Ooh, look at that.
No, we don't need all this avocado.
No, that's a lot.
It is. So I'm about to slice and dice this side.
Maybe one of these times we'll show the people how to make some guacamole.
Guac! Delicioso.
Delicioso. Oh man, in the store. You see, that's what I put for my avatar on Paramount Plus.
Yeah, I saw that. I was like, Mom is Dora.
Swiper, no swiping.
Oh man. Dora the Explorer. Okay, cool. And then we'll do a light mix. You don't want to mix too much because you're going to mush your avocados. I mean, you know, unless you like that kind of thing. And that's it. You have a lovely salad. Lovely, lovely. And delicious. And very much nutritious.
Delicious and nutritious. Let's plate it up.
Don't mind me, I was just being a weirdo while you're gone.
What were you doing?
Nothing. Nothing at all.
Somehow I don't believe that. Look at that, you guys. That lovely, lovely salad.
All right.
We're getting ready to grub.
Grub.
Work.
Thank you.
Make me work.
Ready?
I am. Haha.
Ooh.
Mmm.
This is good.
Gotta try this. It's so good.
You made a good call with them. You see how she did that? She was like, it needs a little more. We tasted it and we was like, we need a little more. You taste it till your taste buds are happy. You season till the ancestors say stop. And then you taste it and see if the taste buds match up, okay?
Exactly. And I did. This is good. You don't have to spend $1 at Tassilis.
Tassilis ain't cheap.
That's not.
I mean, it is worth it. It's
This
yummy.
is delicious. It is. That's why she had to learn how to make this.
Yes, because we also don't live in Atlanta. We live 3.5 hours away. So
That
we can't
part.
even be going there. Had to get my fix some way, okay? Anyways, we hope that y'all have enjoyed today's segment. I'm sorry, my mouth is full, but it's good. We think that we might call this Kitchen Conversations. Let us know what you think. Maybe we should call it Cooking with Double D's.
Yeah, let us know what you think.
Chef-
Offer up some suggestions.
Chef Boyard Double D.
No, God.
Anyways, if you want to see more of us being weirdos, as well as some more healthy dishes, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, like it down below. If you want us to cook something specific, or you're having trouble with something and you want us to show you how we do it or how we would do it, comment down below and let us know what you want to see more of, okay? And of course, always share this with someone that you think would find it helpful or entertaining or fun or whatever. So we'll be back next time on whatever we call this. Again, my name is Dasha and this is my mom,
Davida.
and we're super excited to go on this journey with y'all. We'll talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.